When water damage disrupts your life, we understand the stress it brings. At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we're here to provide compassionate, expert care for water damage restoration in Chaska. Whether it's a sudden flood or a hidden leak, we know how overwhelming it can feel. That's why we act quickly, using advanced tools to restore your home and bring you peace of mind. Water damage isn't just about what you see. It's about the hidden risks like mold and structural damage. Our thorough restoration process ensures your home is safe for you and your loved ones. Your home is more than just a building. It's where memories are made. We're committed to restoring it with the care and attention it deserves. Emergencies can strike at any time, leaving you feeling helpless. That's why we're available 24/7, ready to step in and provide immediate support when you need us most. We treat every home as if it were our own. You can trust our experienced team to handle every detail with precision and compassion. Don't face water damage alone. Call us today for professional, empathetic water damage restoration. Let us help you take back your home. Contact us at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrastoration.com/areas-served-chaska-mn to schedule your service now. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. Restoring your home, restoring your peace of mind.